kind of thing that is typically done in buildings to achieve a level 7. Level 7 is armor piercing. So if we were to be doing a high-level government facility, say something like the White House, it would be reasonable to assume that you'd have something like this throughout the walls, ceilings, and floors of the rooms that you really wanted to protect against projectiles coming at it.
Is it possible that the president is hardening the White House even further, perhaps expecting a direct attack? While the White House is fortified against acts of war, just how vulnerable is the president and his family to an attempted assassination? In the age of terrorism and political assassination, just how safe is the White House? And are there secret measures in place to keep the president and his family secure?
The White House is sort of a mecca for all these nuts in the world who want to just go after authority. The president is the top enchilada, and so they will show up at the White House and try to get in.
Service takes those threats, regardless of whether it's against the president, the vice president, members of the family, the White House itself.
I might get a PS5 and play with you as well, and I was worried about that, but I'm so grateful that you decided to let me know that you're not those murdering typicals and you're willing to grind and get paychecks. I'm going to need it. If I'm starting out, I'm going to need it. I could never, on Xbox, I could never find people willing to grind through the game. Anytime I was on, they were off. Anytime I was off, they were on. And it's like every time I'm trying to play a game or something and get them to play, they don't want to play that game. They just want to fuck around and, you know, shoot you. Or destroy your shit, you know? And I had everything nice. They're like, oh, I've never seen one of those. Bam! It's out of the sky. And I'm like, motherfucker, that's my Akula. You just fucking shot down my Akula. What the hell is wrong with you, fool? Yeah, I had a nice, fully loaded Akula out at level 20. And I shot it down and had a terabyte. Every base that was available when I got the game, I had that shit. Oh, look, it's flooded. Everybody's trying to avoid the water. Now I'm just here driving through this shit. Oh no! Blocked radar! Remove debris! Nope. I don't give a shit. That's the second time I've gotten in an accident crash. Sure. Or a freaking arrow crash. Damn. Shorting out again. And then the dude, whoever does the freaking Saturday run, Ray, does not bring any empties to the people at James River. So they were empty of empties. Bare bones in it. So yeah, I wasn't. No, and this. Oh, I started singing with you, man. Hey, you remember that one dude that used to work at, freaking, what was it? That one dude at Amazon that we used to work with, the big guy with the glasses who was scared of driving in bad weather.